So in this video, we're going to be installing the view Flowbite. So that is essentially just an easier way to create Flowbite components within your application, which we're going to be using as part of the UI for this course platform. So I'm going to go ahead and install this. Outside of that, what we need to do is we need to make sure that we have Flowbite required as a plugin. So if we head into our Tailwind config.js file in here in the plugins, I'm just going to put these down to its own line so that it looks a bit nicer. Then in here, I'm going to require Flowbite on the bottom. And I'm going to just copy and paste this here so we can have all of this properly through here. So for that bit now, that should be sorted. And outside of that, we need to import the Flowbite styles. So let's head into our app.js file inside resources.js. And in here, we just want to import node modules. And actually, we need to make sure we do this. So I'm just going to go ahead and make sure we copy this bit here. Or if you don't want to import it in here, the option to give you is to do it inside the CSS file, which you can do inside the app.css file. So I think I'm going to go for doing it in the CSS file for this, just to keep our import a bit more clear inside our app.js file so it doesn't get very overloaded with a lot of things. So we're just going to go for node modules, Flowbite view, and then we're going to go for this folder and index the CSS, and that's about it. So make sure this compiles, and it does, which is perfect. And just make sure, obviously, if you're installing Tailwind CSS from scratch, that you are also applying these in here. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching.